Hello kids, I'm Priyanka and I'm back again. Money chapter Releasing Excellence. Look at the picture of the page 46 of your textbook and respond by discussing with your partner. Like name of the game जो book में है वो है आपकी table tennis played by using table tennis rackets, ping pong balls and table tennis table. Number of players 2 to 4. How it is played. Table tennis also known as ping pong is a sport in which two or four players hit a lightweight ball back and forth using table tennis racket. The game four player hit a lightweight ball for back and forth using table tennis rackets. The game takes place on hard table divided by a net, ex- except the initial serve players must takes place on the hard table divided by a net. Except for the initial serve, player must allow a ball to only bounce once on their side of the table and must return it so that it bounces on the opposite side. Points are scored when the player fails to return the ball bounce on the opposite side. Points are scored when the player fails to return the ball within the rules. The game is fast and demands quick reactions. Name of the players like Neha Agarwal, Achanta Shrat Kamal, Vin Gopal, Chandrasekhara, Deng Yaping या फिर Yangnan. Name of the game badminton, played with badminton racket and shuttlecock. Number of players दो से चार होते हैं. कैसे खेला जाता है? दो दो प्लेयर ऑपोजिट पेयर्स में रहते हैं, पोजिशंस लेते हैं. ऑपोजिट हाफ में रेक्टेंगुलर कोर्ट रहता है जो डिवाइड रहता है एक नेट से. प्लेयर स्कोर करते हैं पॉइंट बाय striking a shuttlecock with the racket so that it passes through the net and land in their opponent half of the court. Each side may only strike the shuttlecock once before it passes over the net. A rally ends once the shuttlecock had struck the floor or it has a fault has been called, neither it's an umpire or by the service judge. Each game is played to 21 points. When the server serves, the shuttlecock must pass over the short service line of the opponent court or it will be counted as fault. और जो फेमस प्लेयर्स है इसके वो है प्रकाश पादुकोण, पी गोपीचंदा, चेतन आनंद, साइना नेहवाल, ज्वाला गुप्ता और है लिंदान. दूसरा गेम है हमारा स्क्वैश और फिर नेक्स्ट है हमारा वर्किंग इन पेयर विज डिफरेंट. Find the difference between sports and games. ठीक है, pertains to only an individual skills and performance, involves more than one person. A person participating in sport is called an athlete or a sports person. A person who participates in a game is known as player. Okay, next is athletes can take independent decision. Players cannot take independent decision in the game. Victory is based on physical energy, and individual performer. Victory is based on mental strength and coordination between team members. Now, some games and sports: disciples, confidence, physical fitness, team spirit, recreations, and activeness. Now, read this passage entirely and answer the questions. For the next couple of months, it does not feel like I have dash in some ways retired. Cricket has given a lifetime of experience. Playing for India humbled me. It made me realize how dash I was to be able what I did for so long. I was so how lucky I was to be able to do what I did for so long. Okay, fill in the blanks. The cricketers played for India. I feel so blessed that I have been able to live that dream for over 16 years. I have had a chance over to travel the world. This game gave the player opportunity to travel the world. He listened to radio commentary with his father. It has made me give joy to a lot of people by just playing a sport that I love. State whether it is true and false. Rahul Dravid plays cricket for 10 years, India for 10 years, false. Rahul Dravid enjoyed going to gym, it is false. Rahul Dravid listened to radio commentary with his father on walked up morning, true. Rahul Dravid experienced both victorious as well as defeat in his career, true. Okay, answer the passage correctly. What does the title relishing excellence suggest? Enjoying extreme abilities, a relish to enjoy excellence, something is in which person excels. Enjoy the cricketing world. What kind of test it is? A story and an essay. Next is हमारा enjoying extreme goodness speech, enjoying the game cricket, that is article. Now, complete the webs. Playing cricket for India gave David opportunity to travel the world, opportunity to play on some of the greatest ground, opportunity to play against some or the greatest player, opportunity to give joy to people. Now, something that you are getting as a luck chance, narrating as ongoing event commentary, something that will remain memorable for the whole life. That is lifetime. Sometime something that you will not believe in. Unbelievable. Okay, write the opposite of the following words: easier, harder, believable, unbelievable, victorious, defeats, unlucky means lucky. Now, is it still time to stay fit, isn't it? I have I have had a chance, haven't I? I played on some of the greatest ground in the world. I played on the greatest ground, greater many others in the world. Cricketers have given a lifetime of experience. Choose correct passive. A lifetime of experience have been given by cricketers. Okay, we can endure and we can survive. Rewrite as well. We can endure as well as we survive. How lucky I was. Rewrite as assertive sentence. I was very lucky. What are the positive effect of playing games? Games have been a positive effect on developing an individual personality. Games help in development of one imagination, which in turns help a person become fast learner, increase concentration, coordination, team spirit, stamina, as well as develop social skills of an individual. Next is read the passage and answer. I will probably miss dash. I will probably miss out on a few people when I speak, and I hope that they forgive me. I would also like to place on record and recognize so many people you were behind the scene groundsmen, score umpires, people who organize a game. When I stand here when I stand here and I look at some of the senior players who had been kind enough to come for this occasion, I feel really lucky. I would like to thank an inspiring message all my senior cricketers, all my heroes, and all my role models for inspiring me. Now, read the passage and write correct alternatives. This sport has given me a chance to interact with some of them. Next. Next is. Okay. David played for Karnataka State. Complete the web by choosing various Indian cricketers. Indian cricketers: Anil Kumble, Saurav Ganguly, V.S. Lakshman, or M.S. Dhoni. Meaning for the text: eat of end of something, culminations. A person who watch a cricket match closely to ensure that rules are followed. Empire. Sometime something handed down from one generation to another. Legacy. Well expressed and fluent in speech. Eloquently. A statement is a permanent form put on record, working privately without being known to public behind the scenes. Okay, next is I truly feel that I have been in some ways at the right place. Identify the main clause. इसका main clause क्या है? I truly feel. Okay, next time the sport has given me chance to interact with them. Rewrite using MG from the underlined words. The sport has given me the chance of interacting with them. Okay, we have left a strong legacy for Mahi. Rewrite in present continuous. We are leaving a strong legacy for Mahi. We took a great legacy of the Indian team forward. Add a question. We took a great legacy of Indian team forward, didn't we? We have left a strong legacy for Mahi and his young team. Change the degree. Comparative degree में हो जाएगा. We have left for Mahi and his young team a legacy stronger than any other. Our superlative degree है we have left the strongest legacy for Mahi and his young team. How could you contribute to make our nation great. I would support and lead different cleanliness campaign. मैं अलग अलग का support करूँगा cleanliness campaigns को, India cleans को, green nations को, because nation shelters और littering, यहाँ वहाँ कचरा नहीं फेंकूँगा, घर के बाहर कचरा नहीं फेंकूँगा. Nation can achieve greatness if the citizens are education. Nation आगे तभी बढ़ सकता है जब यहाँ के सारे लोग educated हो और responsible हो. और मैं awareness करूँगा education का सारी जगह पे. Lastly I would be honest, मैं हमेशा सच बोलूँगा. With whatever what I do, we can all serve India by doing our duty sincerely with dedication, no matter where we stay or what position we hold in society. वॉट क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ ड्रेविड इंस्पायर यू, कौन कौन सी क्वालिटी है ड्रेविड की जो आपको इंस्पायर करती है. द आई एम इंस्पायर्ड बाई ह्यूमिलिटी ऑफ ड्रेविड. राहुल ड्रेविड ही इज़ वेरी हम्बल, वो बहुत हम्बल है और वो एक्नॉलेज करता है कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन सारे लोगों का. ही हिज सेंस ऑफ बीइंग ग्रेटफुल एंड गिविंग ड्यू रिगार्ड्स एंड रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ अदर्स एट अ ग्रेटनेस ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी. डू एक्सक्यूज मी. डू यू लाइक क्रिकेट? वाई? येस, मुझे क्रिकेट बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि वो आउटडोर गेम है एंड इट इज़ नॉट एन एंटरटेनमेंट स्पोर्ट टू वॉच. ये कोई एंटरटेनमेंट स्पोर्ट नहीं है, ये सिर्फ एक एंटरटेनमेंट स्पोर्ट नहीं है. इसमें बहुत एनर्जेटिक और पूरा फुल फन स्पोर्ट लगता है वॉच करने में. क्रिकेट कैन केप्ट फिजिकली, क्रिकेट हमें फिजिकली फिट रखता है और हेल्प करता है कि हम टीम स्पिरिट बिल्ड कर सकें. हैंड आई कोऑर्डिनेट एंड एंथुसियाज्म. आई हैव ऑल्सो मेड सम ग्रेट फ्रेंड्स. मैंने बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स बनाए हैं जो क्रिकेट खेलते हैं मेरे स्कूल में और वेरियस स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्पिटिशन में. नाउ नेक्स्ट पैसेज. Okay, Mahi lifted the World Cup in 2007. Okay, Kapil Dev lifting the World Cup inspired 10 years old Rahul Dravid. According to Rahul, had a great right temperament and capability to take legacy of Indian cricket forward. It is Mahi. Everyone who played the game with intention to win was the hero. I would like to thank my teammates for your memories or your friendships. Okay, given below some sentences in complete forms. आपको so complete करना है. I think you can Indian cricket team में. I think you can be proud, really proud of what you have done with their Indian cricket teams. Okay, I mentioned our legends have great records in terms of statistics. I know you have inspired a whole host of 10 years old. I think you can be really proud of what you have done with this Indian cricket team. There are challenges as you have noticed over last bit of time. I know you have inspired a whole host of 10 years old. So it's like आप आंसर्स लिखोगे. Okay, something that is worth remembering because of importance को memorable बोलते हैं. Ability to generate outcome, it is capability. Person who became very famous, and that is legends. An act of giving up something important, that is sacrifice. You have inspired a whole host of teenagers. इसका voice change करना है. The whole host of teenagers has been inspired by you. They are very lucky. They are not unlucky. It is inspiring to watch people working so hard. Frame करना है with questions. What was inspiring? I would like to thank all my teammates for your memories and friendship. Rewrite indirect speech. David said that he would like to thank all his teammates for their memories and friendships. Okay, imagine that you were present for programs. Write about your feelings in your words. I was overwhelmed by David's speech at functions. I felt proud of the fact that great personalities like David are the son of India. His words for gratitude and humanity inspired me a lot to be a person of simple living and high thinking. What qualities do you think legends have? According to me, legends have quality like persiveness, humility, simplicity, endurance, gratitude, sacrifice, etc. They are also full of confidence, courage, and commitment. Okay, the Cricket Association for Karnataka State is KSCA. The year Dravid began his career in cricket, BCCI. Sorry, it is 1996. The board that looks after Indian cricket, it is BCCI. The speaker of passage is Rahul Dravid. Straight whether true or false. Dravid started playing cricket for India in 1992. That is false. Rahul Dravid did not like the things that media published about him. It is false. Dravid believes that the present Indian team is talented group of young cricketers. It is true. Dravid hoped that Indian cricket team will always be strong force both the field and off the field. It is true. Okay, it has been a fascinating journey for me. David began his career in 1996. All that I have read and listened to has really humbled me. And what really touched me was care and attention for the people. Go through the passage quickly and find out the correct answers. What is the text about? It is about David retirements. I may not be playing for India anymore. It is with love and care. Okay, organization people है KSCA Sports and Guidance, BCCI official, encouragement and support. Thank you.